Tastes like Trader Joe's.
Alright, decided to tackle a paver project in the backyard. The hardest part? Hands down the excavation and the leveling. I had a hand tamper which helped, but man, it felt like I was stomping for days. That part alone made me rethink everything, but we pushed through. I used those Brock Paver base panels, super easy to work with and way lighter than hauling wheelbarrows of gravel. Once the base was set, it finally started to feel like progress. It is raining. Still doing the paver project. This is what it looks like now. I'm in this corner. I had to get really creative and do this cut. Laying the pavers, honestly, the fun part. It's like giant Tetris, strangely satisfying. Big shout out to my father-in-law who lent me a brick carrier. Game changer. I was able to carry 10 bricks at once instead of 2 at a time like a rookie. This is the progress of my paver project coming along. I gotta cut these in half. Gotta figure out this situation. On this situation, this just doesn't fit correctly. I'm gonna have to like customize the fit on that. So this is all I have left. Almost done. Yup. Cutting the bricks around the post was the tricky part. That's where I had to slow down and really think it through. I'm at the point where I just gotta put the, what is this? Paver, what's this dumb thing called? Paver edging. All the way through here, all the way down. And it's nearly complete. Okay, this is the part when we have to put the polymeric sand. There it is. All right. So these are supposed to go inside those holes there. And I'm going with this brand Technoseal. I'm just gonna dump it. At this point, you just gotta get this polymeric sand and sweep it in, and then lock it in with water. And after that, you just wait 30 seconds and this project is done. On to the next.